May magandang mensahe si Miss Garlic para sa Don Bell. Sabi nga niya, build a show as you build a beautiful relationship with Donnie and Belle. Your utmost professionalism and work ethic that is uncommon for people your age. Your efforts to make the show better on screen and off screen, the love and respect you give to everyone on set. To chosen, craft, and to each other are the things the greatest are made of. So happy and grateful to be part of your journey and to superstar Dang. Dahil nilabas na ng Samsung ang video ng Don Bell at kitang-kita rito kung gaano nakikiliti si Donnie. Sabi nga ng mga netizen, remember the motorcycle scene and may bonggang behind the scene, baka ganyan nangyari kaya nakikiliti si Master. At napansin pa nga ng mga fans ay walang space pag magkasama ang dalawa. They're literally back hugging kahit hindi pa rolling. Nakalend pa si Donnie sa shoulders ni Belle. Itong pangyayari nito ay nagtitaping ang Don Bell. Talagang kahit may fans na gustong magpa-picture sa kanila, talagang magpapa-picture sila kahit sasabihin ng mga kasama nila bawal po magpa-picture. Pero ang Don Bell talagang mag-i-stop para pansinin ng mga fans.